Today we're going to go over the removal of a hydraulic motor on an MH9 mixer. We're going to remove the cover. We'll start on this side. We've got 2 bolts. You'll need 2 7/16" wrenches, or you can use you got room to use a socket and a ratchet. So we'll remove these bolts. We've got our bolt and our washer on this side. Set them to the side. We'll now come to the other side, and we've got 2 more here as well. Our last one, we'll want to hold on to the cover. With a little wiggling, we can set that out. Next, we're going to move on to our bolts that hold the hydraulic motor on itself. We'll start by loosening those. We've got 4. You're going to need a 3/4 inch wrench, and we're just going to break those loose to start. Take the 2 loose on this side. So here we removed our Allen screw. There's actually 2 on this coupler, 1 on each side. We've taken 1 out already. We'll want to take the motor half side out so we can slide our motor on out when we get the bolts out. Now we're going to move back to the bolts that we loosened earlier. We're going to go ahead and take those the rest of the way out. And when we do, we'll be able to take the whole motor and slide it away from the machine. So we've got 3 of our bolts out. I've got my last bolt loose and it's ready to come out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the weight off of the hydraulic motor, take my remaining bolt out by hand, and then I'll pull it away. Notice that we've left our hydraulic hoses hooked up. When we do that, we'll be able to set this motor to the ground and then break those hoses. That way we can get a catch device underneath of them and we're not making a mess. And then we just slide out. Couple things to take note of. All right, we've pulled our hydraulic motor away now, and we're going to want to make sure that our key come out that's in the shaft. This is what locks the motor shaft and our sprocket together. If this didn't come out, we'll have to get up inside the sprocket with a screwdriver or a chisel and pry this out so that we can put it back in for reinstallation. Take note, when we pull this away, there's some weight here, so that you want to be ready so we're not dropping it. If you drop this on your foot, it won't be a good day for you. If we were going to take this motor on apart, we would drop this to the ground now, break our lines loose over a catch device. That way hydraulic fluid's not getting spilled on the ground, and then we could pull this on the rest of the way away from the machine and do whatever repair that we need to do.